Today we are continuing our series of introducing you to key researchers across campus, and today I'm privileged to have with me Dr. Brian Waldron, who's a faculty member in civil engineering and is the director of our center called CAESER, and I'm going to let him explain that here in a second. Welcome, Brian.
Well, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Now, you've been here as a faculty member for 25 years? Is you going on your 25th year? Is that right?
I believe so.
So you've seen a lot, you've done a lot. What is CAESER? It's the Center for
Applied Earth Science and Engineering Research.
What does CAESER do? And let me just caution you, we've only got a couple minutes, so let's don't hit all the talking points of what CAESER's about.
Hey.
I know it does a lot, but this is a limited time here.
I can talk real fast.
What does CAESER do?
CAESER looks at projects that actually impact the community. And that's probably one of the most compelling things about CAESER is that our products are immediately actionable by the communities that we serve.
What do you mean by product?
Products relate to the various services that we offer. So we have 5 divisions. One of them is water resources, so looking at groundwater, surface water.
Okay.
Another division is spatial graphical analyses, so mapping. We also have a drones and sensors group within that.
Okay.
Our third division is transportation logistics, so we work a lot with transportation networks, things like that. We opened up a brand new division called adaptation resilience, so it's looking at natural disasters across the board. And our last one is education outreach, where we take all this kind of science that we do and translate it for the public.
So how many students are involved in this?
We're one of the largest employers of students in research, so about 25, 30, and then we have around 20 graduate students.
Wow, wow, big enterprise. I know you built this over time and into what it is. Now recently, CAESER and the work that you all were doing made the headlines locally about something around the aquifer. Tell me very briefly, what was that all about?
The Memphis aquifer is where we get our drinking water from. It's of high quality. It's protected by clay on top, but our research has shown that clay looks more like Swiss cheese.
Oh,
so
okay.
Yeah, it's not good. So there's breaches or naturally occurring holes in it, which can allow contamination to get in. So our research is focusing on where are those breaches, how do we find them, what are those threats, can we abate any of those threats, and then we provide those results not only to the elected officials and utility, but also to the citizens. We do a lot of public forums so we can tell the public what's going on.
Wow. Brian, thanks for the great work that you and your team do here. And it's far-reaching, and the work around the aquifer is just one example of where the city, the community, the region looks to you and your team to help provide guidance into critical elements of our daily lives.
Happy to do it.
Thank you for all that you do.
Well, thank you.
Thanks
I appreciate
for being here today.
Thank you.